सरकारान आदी सारकी लाडली लक्ष्मी येवजण परतून लागू करपाचो निर्णय घेतला खरो, मात ताची अंमलबजावणी करून सगळ्या चलयांक आनी बायलांक ह्या येवजणेचो लाव मेळटलोच हाची खात्री करून घेवची अशें म्हणीत टीएमसीच्या ट्राजन डिमेलोन सरकाराचेर फोग काडलो। तशेंच सरकारान 3 घरगुती सिलिंडर लेगीत फुकट दिता म्हणून सांगिल्लें, मात ते लेगीत दिवंक नात। देखून सरकारान बायलांच्या अधिकारा कडेन खेळ करचो न्हय, कारण योग्य वेळ येतकीच वेंचणुके वेळार मतांतल्यान ती आपले खरें रूप दाखोवपाक समर्थ आसात अशेंय ट्राजनान ह्या वेळार म्हणलें।
See, it is reported that the government has decided to restart the Ladli Lakshmi scheme. Now, this was taken vehemently by our Avita, who is the Mahila president, and had warned this government that they had put the innocent women folk in trouble by assuring and then withdrawing. However, now it has come to our knowledge and my knowledge that the Chief Minister and the Women and Child Minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, had a meeting with the Women and Child Department, have instructed them that this scheme should start again and to draft an amendment so that it can be approved by the cabinet. Now, the TMC wants to bring to the knowledge of the Chief Minister that he had promised three cylinders. What happened? Now you are promising and saying that you are going to renew that scheme. From where is the money? However, TMC warns this government, do not play with the anger of the women folk of Goa. They will tear you all into pieces. When I say tear you all into pieces, I mean electorally. I would like to tell the Chief Minister to come out openly and give a categorical assurance. Don't try to float ideas and reports, and immediately pass the receipt of budget allocation to them so that they can prepare the draft proposal to have an amendment and get it approved before the cabinet. Mr. Chief Minister, again I say, do not play with the wrath of the women folk of Goa. Patience is running out.